So after we were able to do uploading the video, do the encoding as well as the thumbnail plus the edit form. I think we are remaining with the three things basically, which is the player, and also should be a page to show all videos. As well, we should be able to delete the video as well. So I think instead of going to the player right now, I would like to build something like this. So it will be a list of all videos, and the user should be able to edit, delete the videos, and also he can click on the video and goes to the play. So I prefer to go to show all videos, and then we'll go to the remaining two actions, basically the delete or do the player, because the player we need to do some actions as well there. It should be kind of some extra work there. So let's start by putting going to the code, and if we remind ourselves, there is one component we created, a Livewire component called all videos, and currently this is like an empty, and also we have a template for it which is really empty. So we have this is ready. So why not going to the app layouts, the plates, and then go. So we'll go to the left side of this one, navigation, left side, and when we can add one li with class nav item, and inside that will be h tag. It'll be again class of nav link. This is bootstrap classes, link, and then here we can videos or all videos. We can keep all videos, for example, all videos, and then for the link we should add the route. I think it should be videos.all. Okay, so let's go and try this one now and see how it goes. There's a problem, videos.all or videos.all. Why is not there? Okay, it should be going to this route, video.all, sorry, and there is missing requirements. Okay, should pass something here, I think on the view, which is the channel. I will remove the channel. I will call it there inside the blade, inside the class. So it is there. So when I click on it, nothing is empty because nothing is here. So I think also there's a mistake with extra column. So when I load this component, what I need, basically I need the videos. So I will do mount function here, mount function. I will set this videos to auth user, because I know the user should be logged in, and then I will do channel. I will get the user, authenticated user, and then the channel. Okay, and then I will call videos relationship. So once all videos all videos now, if I go and refresh, should be, there's no problem now. So all videos should be here now in my blade. So now let's go to the formatting. Let's go to the formatting of this component. What I need basically here, I will need one container, and then inside container I'll do one row. Okay, and inside the row I will do one call md12, which is the whole length. And then what I will do also add for each videos as video. I will loop through and for each, let me type this one. I will loop all videos and then create one card here. So let me just keep this one in the center. I will do justify content center. So now I have all videos. Let's go and then do some card here. So I do dot card, bootstrap again. I'll do some margin up and down with 2, and then I will do body dot card body. So inside the body I will do one row. So if you notice here, I'll do one row, and then I will divide this, as you can see, for example 2, 3, and so on, columns. So I'll go again to the code, and then inside the row, the first row, So I'll do dot call md2 for the picture, and then I'll repeat this one a few times. I'll do 3 for other components, and then 2 and then 2. We'll see how it goes. So let's go for the first one, and let me put the image here. So I'll put image, source will be image, or this video, video, and then we can call the model thumbnail. I know this thumbnail, and as don't forget to add the class. So the class will be image thumbnail, and then let's go and refresh, see if this is working or not. So video is not found on which line. Okay, it's in the component. So video is not found. So let's go and see for each videos as video. So basically I think here it should not be this. Sorry, I forget about this. This should be the video itself, because I am on the blade, and then also I forget to add the asset helper, and then we should be fine now. Let's go and refresh. Yep, here we go. So we are doing this right. So I will go a little bit fast here. So second one will be basically some information about the video. So let me just copy it, because it'll be very simple, straightforward, to save some time. Inside here, third one will be basically the title and then description. For third one will be visibility only, and then again we can do some spacing later on. So here will be visibility. We just close this one, and then finally, or before finally, will be some dates, and then I'll copy also this one, and just a format video created, and put format day, month, and year. Let's go and refresh. See, this is working fine. And then for the buttons also, final one will be like, I'll add another column which is called -md-2 again, and this will be the buttons, delete, and it goes to delete and edit. And I think should be fine here. Just I'll put some also pagination on this one if the files are more, so we can do the pagination. So if I go to the Livewire pagination, then what's doing here basically is straightforward. It's like what we are doing for, we use pagination. So I'll go to this class for all videos. I'll add pagination, okay, with pagination trait, and then here routine, we should paginate how many we need, and then we should do the pagination links inside the blade. But let's see how we can do this now. I'm just transferring this. If we go through this public folder, or public method, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and then send it as paginate here. We can do this way. So for some reason when I add pagination here is not working, it doesn't detect us as a collection. So as workaround, I will remove this public, and then I send it through with. So I'll take all of this code, and then I'll go here. I can use with, of course, to send any parameters with videos, and then I will send all of these, and then I'm going to add here paginate, and then I can keep it 1, for example. Let me remove this one, mount it completely, and see how this works. Now if I refresh, I can see only 1. Of course, I need to add the links here in the blade or in the template. So I go here after, for example, this column. Let me just do this column, and then we can do videos links. See how this works. So now the style is not working because we need to set something also for Bootstrap. Resetting, I think, yeah, for Bootstrap we need to go to we need to add this property as well for the styling, and then go to the class. Okay, keep this one, and let's see how it works now. Fresh. Yep. So now it's working fine. See how it goes, and the pagination is working fine. The only remaining thing is the links. So I'll configure the link to go to edit, for example. So we can go to all videos played, and then open this one, go to the button, inside the button, or we can keep it here, link, h tag, and then we can keep this one as href route. Of course we need to be PHP, so it'll be route video.edit. Here we see that to the video, we need to send the channel, and we need to send, and also for the editing, so we need to channel and then also the video. So we can go to the blade, inside this one we need to send channel equal auth user, then channel, and also I need to add the video, which is basically video, maybe UID or slug, let's see, or UID, I think, yeah, UID for this one. Let's see how it works. Fresh. If I click to edit, yep. Then if I go to number 3 and then edit, yep, we are working fine. So from next video, I believe we'll do the edit, and we'll keep the player at the final stage.